Hi, I'm Sam from EVSE, and today I'm going to take you through everything that you need to know about installing the right home charger for your EV to get you fully charged every single morning. Now, when choosing an EV charger for your home, there's three important considerations. The first being the charging speed available for your EV. Is it a single phase 7 kilowatt? Is it 11 kilowatt? Or can it take 22 kilowatts? The second consideration is your home's electrical supply. Is it single phase or is it 3-phase? And finally, the capability of the charger that you require. Do you need just a simple plug and charge with a basic app, or do you need a charger that can connect with your home solar, a bit more scheduling functionality, and allow you to charge with the cheapest electricity rates? And once you know those three, or if you don't know, the team at EVSE can actually help you choose those three. You can actually choose the right EV charger based on your budget and capability required. So let's look at these two products and see which one's right for you. So the first charger that you can consider is the Ocular LTE Plus. It's a beautiful weatherproof EV charger that can be installed both inside your garage or outside in the elements. And with over 6 years of history, this charger is proven in terms of reliability and the ability to charge absolutely any EV in Australia. Now, it comes with a basic Bluetooth app. So what that means is when you're close to the app, similar to like when you're in a car, you can open up the app and it allows you to do basic scheduling. It allows you to change your charging speeds, and via the app, you can see all your charging history, and that's exportable via an Excel spreadsheet. So if you need to do any reporting for work or for the tax office, that's all possible. In terms of the charger, it comes with a wonderful 3-year hardware and installation warranty, and that's really important. So if you have any issues in 3 years, there's no cost to get that repaired and back up and running. In terms of reliability, this charger is proven unlike many others in the country, and so you can be really confident you're going to wake up fully charged every single day. So our premium unit is the Ocular IQ Home Solar. Now, this is the smartest charger in Australia. It allows you via a Wi-Fi cloud-enabled app to able to fast charge your EV, solar assist, or solar only charge your EV. And importantly, that free app that it comes with allows you to do scheduling. It keeps track of all your charging history, which can be exported again for billing and for tax purposes. And importantly, the app also allows you to do schedules and multiple schedules across the day. And so it really allows you to charge with the cheapest and cleanest energy available to you every single day. Of course, like the LTE, it's indoor and outdoor rated, so it can be outside in the elements. And it comes with that wonderfully strong 3-year hardware, and when we're installing it, an installation warranty as well. And that's the real benefit of EVSE. We don't only just give you hardware warranties. If anything ever does go wrong, we'll go out there and we'll fix it. And that's the breadth and capability of 11 years of history that we've provided in the industry. In terms of the charger, it's low profile, and it also allows you to do demand management in your home. So a lot of homes, when you're using the air condition, when it's summer and electricity is very kind of high use in the home, this charger will downrate automatically so that your house doesn't trip or overload. And it's a reason why it's our #1 selling charger and one of the best selling EV chargers in Australia. So in terms of how to get a home charger installed, that's really easy. Just reach out to the team via our phone number 1300 406 210. Send us an email and we'll happily provide you free consultation. We'll let you know whether you need to choose single phase or 3-phase. We'll help understand your vehicle and its charging speeds, and we'll match your charger to your budget, your home's capability, and ensure that you're waking up every morning fully charged. So on behalf of the EVSE team, thank you. Happy charging.